Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. After I received the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven and the stand that goes with it, I decided to purchase a 30-pound propane tank instead of the standard 20-pound propane tank. After scouring the internet multiple times, I could find zero information pertaining to this stand and the ability to hold a 30-pound tank. So I decided to purchase the 30-pound tank. I took a chance, I put it on, and it fits perfectly. But there was one potential problem that I thought of right away, and that was the stress that the heavy tank was actually putting on the stand. This stand is extremely well built, but there is no documentation telling you if it can actually hold the 30-pound tank. So I started thinking about it, and this is where I got the idea to add in a fifth wheel to the Arc XL stand. And what you're seeing in action right here is a perfect fit for this stand. And this whole thing took me probably 15 minutes to make. The other thing I wanted to mention, as of July 2025, there is not a single picture of a Gozney Arc XL stand holding a 30-pound propane tank that is available in North America, being Canada or United States. So I'm going to be a little cheeky and say I am the first one on the internet who has posted pictures and video of a 30-pound tank on this stand. So as you can see, the stand moves perfectly with that fifth wheel. And it also relieves so much stress from the bottom of that stand. The 30-pound tank, it is extremely heavy. So what you're seeing here is an orange caster wheel that I purchased off of Amazon. And then I used a piece of 4x4 block. And then there's a single screw going in from the top down into the bottom. And there's absolutely zero modification to the actual stand because the hole already exists on the bottom of the stand. That was something important to me because I did not want to start drilling extra holes into the stand. So hopefully in the future, my idea helps other Gozney Arc XL pizza owners. And for me, I feel so much better having that fifth wheel on the stand. If you're interested in pizza dough videos, etc., I have dozens upon dozens of pizza videos on my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. And for content specifically for the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven, you can check out those videos at the Pizza Dough Pro YouTube channel that I started not long ago. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.